Guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video, and first of all, thank you for your overwhelming support in the last Gear 5 video, guys. We have literally reached 160,000 views, I guess. So something around 140,000, 160,000, guys. So within the last 48 hours. Thank you for that, guys. Now, I'm here with another giveaway video, and we have the tutorial tomorrow about this move right here. So I'm now presenting you the first Gear 5 move which probably has been ever made on ROBLOX. Okay, now you see the image in the background, guys, and this was my inspiration, let's say. So I have used this image to create this first move right here. Now enjoy, link is in the description. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and check out tomorrow's tutorial on this one.